Hello guys, welcome to another video. So I have another package here to unbox for you guys, and I guess by the title you're gonna know exactly what this is. So I think I know what this is, but let's find out. Now I believe that this is going to be replacement. Well, yeah, it is a replacement. It's going to be a couple of replacement bands for my Gear S3 watch, and yeah, it looks like it. So there's a couple of stuff in here, and I also, let's move this out of the way here. Okay, so first things first, I bought some extension cables here for my computer. This one here is, I believe, the headphone cable, and yeah, it looks like it's a headphone cable. So basically, what I want to do, as you guys remember in my sound card unboxing, my sound card actually has a module that you can actually control the volume and the you can control from speakers and headphones by just clicking on the actual button and stuff like that. Well, if you guys remember that on that module there's actually a headphone input and there's a microphone input. Well, my keyboard actually has headphone and microphone inputs on the side here, and the way I have this set up right now, it's a little bit a hassle to plug my headphones into the module the way it is. So I bought these where I'm going to be running these cables from the module to the cables of the keyboard, so that I could actually plug the headphones directly to the side of my keyboard instead of trying to reach over my desk and trying to plug them over there instead. I will be making a video of it. That way, if you guys, if anybody down in the future wants to know how to do it and things like that, that's I'll show you how that's done anyway. But anyway, this cable is really nice. Wow. This is from Ugreen, and the cable is actually nice rubber cabling. You got the gold tips here, and I actually didn't pay very much. I didn't pay very much for these cables. Come on, focus. Come on. Don't want to focus. Okay, let's just pull back a little bit. It's actually a golden color, so they're actually pretty decent quality. And this wasn't very expensive. This one here cost $10 Canadian. That's this one here, and this one here, I'm hoping this is going to work, because I bought this one here for my microphone extension. And look at this. This is nice braided. Oh, it's actually got two sets here. This is very nicely braided cabling. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. And this one here is from Cable Creations. Here, so you got the gold tip here and the gold tip over here. So this one actually came with 2 sets, so that's pretty neat. Goes back a little bit. So anyway, these are the 2 cables. It would be kind of nice if I was actually able to use, if I knew that these microphone ones would work with the headphones too, I would have just bought this pack here and not this pack over here. But either way, it's always good to have cable extensions anyway. So I'll be making a video down the road how I'm going to be utilizing these cables on my PC. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for these cables here. But this is not the main reason why you guys are watching this video anyway. So I'll just put this off to the side here. Main reason why you guys are watching this video is because of this watch band here. This one here is the Moko Manly strap. It's for the Gear S3. I got the black one. You can get them in different colors. So let's take a look what this looks like. This in here is actually magnetic, so it's easy put on and easy put off. So of course the box is just red all the way around. There's not very much going on. Let's get this out of here. Oh, they should pack this in pretty good. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna have to push it up from the back end here. Let's pull this one out. Oh, this is pretty packed. There we go. Okay. Alrighty. So there's actually there's extra pins here, as you can see, and they're the come on, focus. They're actually the quick release ones, so that actually makes changing out the bands in your watch really easy, so you don't have to use no special tool, no nothing for it. And then here's the actual band. Wow, actually feels nice, and it's actually pretty heavy. So it feels like there's some type of a silicone on here, so I guess it won't scratch the actual band. This is really nice, actually. Wow. Let's take a look at what this looks like on the watch here, and I'll show you guys how easy it actually is. Now, the reason why I'm changing out the bands on this watch already is this band actually gives me rashes over here, and really uncomfortable. So that's why I went and got replacement bands for this watch already. But anyway, to remove this, as you can see here, I'm just going to zoom in here. There's an actual, come on, focus. There's an actual pin right over here, and you actually take and you slide this off to the side, and it makes it really easy, just like that, to remove them off. So it makes a quick change. It makes it really quick change to to change out your bands if like the type of person that likes to change out your bands every once in a while depending on what you're wearing. So let's put this one on, get these pins here. I was looking online and I looked through a whole bunch of videos and trying to decide which bands I should get. So this actually has extra pins here, which you don't want to lose them, right? So put that up there. Okay, so there is an actual slot here on this band here. If I can get this guy in here. See, there's an actual slot right there. So this little lever here actually fits over top of here, so just like that. Okay, now hopefully I do this right, and I believe that this one goes on this side here. So there's a couple of holes here on this side, which I need to find. Okay, and then pull this back, and it just snaps into place just like that. Okay, and then I believe I might actually have it on backwards. Yeah, so this is actually on backwards. So this side here has actually got to go. So this side actually got to go on this side, and this one here. No, hang on a second here. Oh, no, maybe not. Maybe it's correct. Let's just see what happens here. So we'll do this again here. So we'll slide this over onto here. Just like that. And then we're going to slide this in here. Just pull this back a little bit so that you guys can see what I'm doing here. So this is going to go into the hole over here. As long as I put this in the right way here. Yeah. So now this is the first time I've actually changing this out, so you guys are gonna have to bear with me here. Maybe I should make this a bit bigger so that I can actually Alright, it's in. So this just fits over like this, and then And this just comes around. It just taps it on like that. There we go. Actually feels pretty nice. There it is. That's actually pretty nice. It matches the watch really nicely. And it feels really comfortable. So as long as these pins don't come out, we'll be good to go. So I'll keep that on there for now. So that's that one. That's that one. And now this is the other one that I bought. So I actually bought two of them. So now this one here actually fits the Fitbit Blaze, the Pebble, and it's supposed to fit on the Gear S3 as well. So let's take a look at this one here. This one here is going to be a little bit more involved because this is actually chained. It's actually unlinked. Okay. So why is there a USB cable on here? What the heck? Okay, well, I wasn't expecting this. Alright, that's different. What the heck? Okay, alrighty, it's okay, so it's this. So this actually has a tool here. How do you get this out of here? So there's the extra pins. So this also comes with extra pins, but now this one here looks like this one here doesn't look like it's got the little yeah, it does. It's got the knobs right there too. Okay, so that makes it easy. So this one here actually has this tool here to resize the band, and I don't know if I'm going to attempt to resize this one here by myself. I'm probably gonna take it into a jeweler's to get done. But look at this one here. This one's even nicer. This actually feels quite heavy. Look at this. I think that's actually even nicer than this one here. So this is actually got it opens up, so you got one of these type of locking mechanisms. So you go. This one here, I don't remember the name off this one off the top of my head. I'll have to go back. I'll have to go back on my paperwork and see what it is. Now, deal with this USB cable. I was not expecting that at all. Quite frankly. So anyway, I might, if I knew this thing would actually fit me without let's see here. No, it's too big for me, so I'll have to get it resized. But I might release. Oh, so this is the Truffol black Truffol black linked band. You can get these in different colors as well. You can get them in black. You can get them in gray titanium, in rose gold, I believe. Yeah. So there you go. So that's pretty much the unboxing for my bands, cables. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And until the next video, goodbye.